Quality Corvette wheel spacers are essentially safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hub. The Corvette wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each Corvette hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the Corvette weight is not placed on any Corvette wheel spacers installed. Installed hub-centric Corvette wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric Corvette wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. These Corvette wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tight fit, providing the minimum change of vibration. Quality Corvette wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Corvette wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Corvette wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide longer service life. Selecting the best Corvette wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. BONOSS forged multi-stage hub-centric Corvette wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The hub-centric metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Corvette wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS forged multi-stage hub-centric Corvette wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS forged active cooling Corvette wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation groups to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These groups allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Corvette wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarges the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged active cooling Corvette wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.